We're going to be completing the first step of the license plate project for the CNC machine. To work today, we're going to be utilizing Fusion 360 and developing just the 3D modeling component of it. There'll be another step showing the CAM project later on. Go in, select New Design. I'm going to sketch a rectangle on my XY plane. Fusion 360 is built in with a lot of hotkeys, so down here where I want a dimension, I could have very easily just pushed D. Similarly, when I want to extrude, I could very easily just push E right here, which I'll do. Select my face, 0.25 is my height. I'm then going to go in and modify with the fillet. Could have very easily just pushed F. I'm going to select each of my 4 edges, setting them to 0.5, and now I'm going to select a new sketch right here. And I'm going to develop an offset and pull that handle down a little bit, and we're going to set it to be 0.125, and we're going to extrude that in a negative 1/8 inch. There we go. Let's develop another sketch. And in this one, we're going to add 2 holes, which we will use for hanging this plate on the CNC machine. I'm going to dimension those to 3/8 in each direction. I'm going to provide them a diameter of 0.25. I'll do that over here too, 0.25. Divide by 8. And 3 divided by 8. We're going to extrude those. I'm going to select the face. I just pushed E for extrude. We're going to change our distance to all, and we're going to change it to cut. Notice it did not change the direction, so we're going to have to select this flip command there, and then it's going to go through for us. I'm going to add my initials on the front now, so I selected sketch, and now I'm going over to text. I'm going to add my initials, DJK. I'm going to take my height to 0.75. I'm just pressing tab to navigate through that window. And then I'm going to have to set my angle to 180. I'm going to center that a little bit. I'm going to add more text. I'm going to add my ID number, which is 8675309. My height is going to be 3.25. My angle is again going to be 180. We'll select OK. There we go. I'm going to select Finish Sketch. I'm going to select Extrude, so I just press the letter E. I'm selecting both those sketches. I'm going to push in negative 0.01 for my distance. So I didn't get both. There we go. So now we have both those there. I'm going to add an additional sketch now, right here. And what this will be used for is we're going to set this up. I'm going to make sure not to be in any of the circles because I want it to be unconstrained. We're going to set it up to be 3/16 of an inch away from the side. The reason is we're going to use a 3/8 end mill to add a fill to the inside of our license plate right there. And it's going to be easier to have that line there as a reference than the actual fillet, because we'll be able to drive it from the sketch easier than driving it from the feature on that. Alright, let me select Stop Sketch. We'll take a look at that real quick. Alright, I think I am in good shape to move forward. And so I hope that was successful for you, and we'll move on.